Alright guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome back if you guys are subscribed. And today we're going to be just updating more on the Marauder and also doing a fuel filter change. This filter change can be for the Grand Marquis, the Marauder, any variant of the Panther body, and also the Mustangs, Mustang GTs, Cobras, Mark 1s. This is a very common filter. All the 4.6 use this filter. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so first things first, I want to make sure that there's no pressure in my fuel system. And I can relieve most of it from right here. It might spray all over the place, but I'd rather that than spraying in my eye underneath the car. Alright, just drop the cap. And just push on it. Yep, there it is. Nice healthy spray of fuel. And hold that open for a while. Alright, so system is relieved of pressure. Now what we're going to do is, with your vehicle jacked up, it should be on that well, let me tell you where the Marauder zone is in the Grand Marquis. It's going to be on your passenger side, right in the front of your rear tire. And if you come underneath and you look up, there it is. Mine is extremely rusty and most likely not any good anymore, and that's why my car has hesitation and starting issues and everything else in the world wrong with it. But you take a flathead and you put it right behind this little white clip here and just pop it right out till it comes out, and that's it. That should pull right off. It's gonna need some persuading for sure, because I don't know, that's been on there a while. But I am going to pop the clip on the other side and take this bracket off, this clamp off that holds it on, and then I'm going to take it out so we can inspect it and really look to see if this is our issue. Alright, so obviously here's the old one and here's the new one. This filter did sit up for a year. That had fuel in it and I didn't drain it out, and so I don't know if the filter got compromised internally or what's not, but I'm gonna pop in this new one and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, with the fuel filter installed, put the key in, turn it on so the fuel pump kicks on, and then we're gonna look for leaks. And I don't see any dripping, no wetness. And let's try and start this thing and see how it runs. Hopefully the car leaning doesn't affect it starting. I didn't get it crank at all just now. Let's see what I get. Prime with a few down. There you go. Oh, it still wants to turn off. Let's see. Firing on. All right, so it seems like this motor just isn't gonna stop sputtering for spark plugs, fuel filter, you know, the normal stuff. I checked all the wiring, pulled all the coils one by one. Those seem to be working. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to drain the little amount of fuel that it's in the tank out and put some fresh fuel in it and see what it does after that.
Alright guys, so I totally forgot to record when I put the fresh gas in, but it did work out well. But I do believe that either the sock that sits in the tank that's on the pump might be clogged and bad, or one of the hoses in the tank is bad, because it still was sputtering with the fresh fuel. But once I put fuel right to the intake, it cleared right up and it revved very high. So I know for a fact that this motor is solid, and most likely in the next video we're going to be pulling this thing out and we're going to start working on it and getting it ready to do exactly what I wanted to do, instead of running funny and backing up and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.